Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Wolf. We're going to learn how to find weather.com for our weather report. First, you need to find Google Chrome and click on that. Your screen might look different than mine, but I want you to find at the top the search bar and click in the search bar, and we're going to search for weather.com. You're going to type weather.com and then press enter. This brings us to the Weather Channel website. What we need to do first is search for our city. So you're going to click in this box and we're going to search for Lebanon, Lebanon. This brings up different options for Lebanon. We're going to pick the one that says Lebanon, PA. Remember, PA is the abbreviation for Pennsylvania. Click on that. This brings the current weather for Lebanon. We're going to work with the today option and the hourly option. On the today option, for that particular day, it gives us the temperature. There is the high and the low for the day. On this side, it gives us the wind speed and the air pressure. If you go down on the page, there's an option for the next 36 hours. This tells you what's happening today, in the evening on that particular day, and the future days. This is a great tool for predictions. If you go down, the next option is radar. The radar shows live weather for that particular day. This is great to show what is upcoming in the weather and you can predict for the future. Go back up to the top and now we're going to look at the hourly option. Click on hourly. This option shows what is happening each hour throughout the particular day. You have options to see how the temperature changes, how the precipitation changes, as well as how the wind speed changes. These are great tools to use in your weather report. This is how we find weather.com and the Weather Channel for our weather report.